All right, now we're back in PyMol. I'm going to open up my results here. And that's result number 1 that it's showing. If I click on these arrows down here, it'll start going through the rest of the results. So you see here we're at 2 of 9 now. And we can click through them. And you'll notice that Vina did not find the correct pose for this molecule on this run, because we're docking the same molecule that's in the crystal structure. So we should be able to get a pose that's basically directly on top of it. And pose number 1 is the best pose that it found, and it's really not that close. So what I'm first going to do is I'm just going to run it again with the exact same commands, because sometimes Vina will find it and sometimes it won't. And sometimes if you just run it back with exactly the same commands, you'll get a better result. And if it doesn't show up on this one, I'm going to shrink my grid box down a little bit and maybe reposition it just a touch, see if that helps. All right, while this is running, I'm just going to get rid of these results here. Delete object. Okay, so see, now we have one with a score that's minus 12.16, as opposed to the best score was minus 11.53 in this one. All right, so now let's open this up and let's see what these look like. And if this doesn't look good, I will go back to the drawing board real quick. Yes, open. Yeah, see, that's better. Look at that. Top result. You can see it is almost identical. This is like a little bit off over here. It should have rotated this around and found that eventually. But hey, maybe if I shrink my grid box down, I reposition a little bit, then I can get a better score even. Or heck, maybe if I just run it a couple more times, like I'll wind up getting exactly the same pose. Because I have had instances where Vina will find a pose that is like literally right on top of the ligand inside of the crystal structure.